Welcome to beautiful Granbury, Texas. Today I'm taking you inside a hidden gem, Witherspoon's Antique Mall. From romantic relics to rustic Texas charm, this place is overflowing with treasures just waiting to be discovered. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted by that familiar feeling quiet, cozy, and full of charm. Booths stretch out in every direction, each one telling its own story. The aisles are wide and welcoming, and you can sense the care in every little corner. Each space feels like it's been curated with heart. If you love romantic antiques like I do, Witherspoon's offers no shortage of dreamy details, delicate florals, aged patina, faded edges. These timeless, feminine touches make it feel like you've stepped into a Jane Austen novel or maybe a Southern fairy tale. But Witherspoon's isn't just about romance, it's wonderfully eclectic. You'll find old tools, folk art, vintage advertising, and rustic farmhouse pieces scattered between the lace and crystal. That mix is part of what makes antique shopping in Texas so special. There's always a surprise tucked just around the corner. This is the kind of place that rewards patience and curiosity. You can pass by the same shelf 3 times before spotting something that feels like it was meant just for you. In a world that moves so fast, spaces like Witherspoon's remind us to slow down and look a little closer. always leave places like this feeling grateful, grateful for the stories, the imperfections, the history that still lingers in each object. Not the kind you find in museums, but the kind passed from hand to hand, home to home over time. And even though I'm making my way toward the door, there's still so much to explore just outside these walls. And next week, I'm sharing the antiques that are waiting beyond Witherspoons. And I'm also taking you just down the road to Vintage Roads Antique Mall, where I find something truly unexpected. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss one moment of the magic. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.